Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start investing with Acorns. Acorns is a popular micro-investing app that allows users to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. To get started, first download and install the Acorns app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to create an account. To create an account, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some identification documents to verify your identity. This is a standard process to ensure the security and legitimacy of your account. After creating your account, you will need to link a funding source to your Acorns account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. You will need to provide the account and routing numbers for your bank account, or the card details for your credit or debit card. Once your funding source is linked, you can start investing with Acorns. The app will ask you a few questions to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Acorns will recommend a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. You can choose to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, such as daily or weekly, or you can invest a lump sum. Acorns also offers a feature called Roundups, which allows you to invest the spare change from your daily purchases. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns will round up the purchase to $4 and invest the remaining $0.50 into your portfolio. The key concept to understand when investing with Acorns is diversification. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk and maximize returns. Acorns offers a range of portfolios to choose from, each with a different level of risk and potential return. To get the most out of your Acorns investment, it is essential to have a long-term perspective and to be consistent with your investments. It is also important to monitor your portfolio regularly and rebalance it as needed to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, starting to invest with Acorns is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts of investing, you can start building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Remember to always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of investing with Acorns.